Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and today I'm sharing a quick gluten-free masala pasta recipe ideal as a healthy and filling meal for dinner. A little disclaimer, I'm currently in Australia and living in an Airbnb. This video is made using the basic cookwares provided by the host. Please bear the dim lighting in the video as I'm taking this at night. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this masala pasta, I'm using gluten-free pasta. I have already boiled water as per the instructions in the cover. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon sea salt and then I'm adding the pasta into the boiling hot salted water and allow the pasta to get cooked until al dente. Okay, now the pasta is al dente, that is, it is almost cooked. I'm going to drain the pasta. I'm heating my pan with 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 5 to 6 garlic cloves finely chopped. Give it a stir. Once the garlic cloves starts to get light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 1 onion finely chopped. Add in 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Allow the onions to saute until they are transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion is transparent or light pink in color, I'm adding in 3 tomatoes finely chopped. Give it a stir. Add in a splash of water. Cover. And allow the tomatoes to get softened and lightly cooked. 2 minutes later, open the lid. The tomatoes are softened and lightly cooked. Add in 1 carrot chopped. Give it a stir. Add in 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes or as needed, 1 teaspoon garam masala, freshly ground black pepper powder about half a teaspoon. Give this all a good mix. Cover and allow the carrot to get cooked. Add in the cooked pasta, half of a capsicum chopped. Lastly, I'm sprinkling in some finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good stir. And my masala pasta is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy pasta recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.